Good morning, dear students. In last video lecture, we studied on section 3 writing skill. In that 3.2 mind mapping. In this video lecture, today we are going to learn section 4 genre or drama. Here we have to study 4.2 novel To Sir with Love, which is written by E.R. Brathwaite. This is autobiographical novel, very beautiful novel written by writer. This novel only a critical appreciation and chapter number 17, because that much only in syllabus. So let's start today's lecture. To Sir with Love, written by E.R. Brathwaite. The full name of the writer is that Eustace Edward Ricardo Brathwaite. I repeat again, listen carefully. Eustace Edward Ricardo Brathwaite. He born in 1912 and he passed away 2016. He was known as E.R. Brathwaite. Was a genius born British American novelist, writer, teacher, and diplomat. Best known for his stories of social condition and racial discrimination against black people. He was the author of one of the famous 1959 autobiographical novels, To Sir with Love. He also wrote A Kind Homecoming about his tour of Africa, A Choice of Straws, a novel set in London, and Reluctant Neighbors, a memorial and treatise about racism. Brathwaite's numerous writing primarily deal with the difficulties of being an educated black man, black social worker, black teacher, and simply a human being who found himself in a set of inhuman circumstances. According to this novel, To Sir with Love, this is an autobiographical novel. The narrator is an engineer, but to make both ends meet, he accepts the job of teacher in a rough London East End school. The school is full of troublemaker students who were rejected from other schools for their behavior at the beginning. The narrator is ridiculed and bullied by the students, but later his calm demeanor and desire to see them succeed gradually earn him their respect. So, in the first part, here the writers explain his own information. Actually, this is writer's own autobiographical novel. In his autobiography, he mentioned about his career. Before that, he was engineer, but later on, he became a teacher, and he accepted the job of teacher in British education systems, mostly in area of East End School in rough London. According to that school, the school was full of troublemaker students, and in that school the writer became a teacher and he started his teaching profession. And how does he face lot of problem in that school? However, what changes he's seen in that school and the behavior of the student, and how does his calm demeanor and desire to see them his success, and how does he earn respect in that school, all informations which is mentioned in this novel. So first one, let's see the characters of the story, characters of the novel. There are some major characters and so many minor characters in the novel. Let's see first major characters in the novel, To Serve with Love. In that major characters, first character was Ricky Brathwaite, means narrator. Second one, Gillian Blanchard. Third major character was Mrs. Dell Evans. Fourth one, Denham. Fifth one, Pamela Dare. And last one is that Mr. Florian. I repeat once again, in the novel To Serve with Love, there are 6 major characters. First one, the writer Ricky Brathwaite. Second one, Gillian Blanchard. Third one, Mrs. Dell Evans. Fourth one, Denham, Pamela Dare, and last one, Mr. Florian. Now let's see some list of the minor characters in the novel To Serve with Love. First minor character was Bob Belmont. Second, Jacqueline Bender. Third one, Clintry, Selma Drew, Hawkman, Moria Joseph, Palmer, Euphema Phillips, Jane Purcell, Lawrence Sills, Jess Belmont, Buckley, Josie Daves, Pratik Fairman, Teach Jackson, Monica Page, Barbara Page, Potter Sapieno, Theo Watson. So in this novel To Serve with Love, near about 20 minor characters and 6 major characters, means near about 26 characters are there in the novel. This novel is biggest novels, but here we have to study it only the summary of the novel, then theme of the novel, synopsis of the extract, and only chapter number 17. That much only we have to study. So let's see the next part. Summary of the novel. Here summary given, I'll explain shortly, listen carefully. Summary of the novel written by E.R. Brathwaite. To Serve with Love is a work of fiction based on the life of the author E.R. Brathwaite. Means this novel is all about the writer's E.R. Brathwaite. Here the main character is the writer own self, the main character E.R. Brathwaite. He works as an engineer in an oil refinery. He works in oil refinery industries. He served in the Royal British Air Force in the war. After the war, being a black person, he was unable to find employment. Students, look here. One of the important facts the writer mentioned here, the fact is that social discriminations or racial views. So he comes from the black persons. That's why he just removed his job. He left his job as an engineer. And why? Because he was a black person. That's why he unable to find any job in any sector. Unfortunately, he became unemployed. As a last resort, he applied in a school to become a teacher. Surprisingly, he is accepted at the Greenslade School in London's East End and is set to teach the senior classes of the school. While reading the novel, we have to understand that the time period in which the story takes place is very important. Braithwaite finds that even though he considers himself British and has served in the RAF, means Royal Air Force, the English do not consider him to be one of them. This leads Braithwaite to feel bitter about the English and colonialisms. Again, the problem of social discriminations, problem of the racial views, the writer mentioned, as well as about his white students. The black and white means high class, low class, class discriminations. Braithwaite's teaching position start out roughly and is embraced time and again. He accept his teaching job. He was an engineer. However, he just accept his job as a teacher and he just started to do his job. He considered his students disrespectful, ill-mannered and mischievous, while his students considered him to be an arrogant outsider, unfamiliar with the social environment in which they have grown up. The students harass him from day one, slamming their desk during his lecture, using foul language and bullying him to a great extent. Even the girl students do not spare a moment to harass Braithwaite. In reaction to that, Braithwaite verbally scolds the girls for acting in an unladylike manner and being unruly in the class. In this passage, the writer mentioned here how does his teaching job started, and because of the social discriminations, students' point of views regarding the teacher and the teacher's point of view regarding the students, the writer focus here. When he understand that his outburst had not gained him any respect and cooperation from the students, he changes his teaching and handling tactics and he decides to interact with them as though they are adults and respectable persons. He requires every girl be referred to as Miss and that his students call him Sir. At first, the students find this level of difference ridiculous and unnecessary. However, they come around after only a few weeks, completely changing both their hygiene and their attitudes towards one another. This marks the success of Brathwaite in handling the student in a very friendly way. In second passage, the writer mentions how does the writer became successful to handling his students' problems, and how does he easily understood the students' problems, and he find out the different way to cooperative and friendly manner in his teaching. To increase the class cultural exposure, he takes them on field trips and excursions to museums and theaters. To everyone's surprise, many of the students have never been. A white female teacher, Gillian Blanchard, second major character, accompanies the class on these excursions. This marks the beginning of a friendship between Blanchard and Brathwaite. Similarly, Brathwaite's relationship with his students is tested many a times. In next paragraph, the writer mention how does his behavior with students became friendly, and his relationship with students as well as the staff, means one white teacher, he was black, means according to his race he was a black, and how does with his cooperative nature, how does they how does he started up, how does he came on the track for his professional views, he just mentioned. Although his students frequently disappointed and hurt him, he learns to forgive them. The student constantly surprise him with their maturity, sympathy, and understanding, empathy, and knowledge. Another side aspect of the story which greatly affects its narrative lies is the heavy history of colonialism, its dark consequence, mental and physical distress that increase Brathwaite's hatred and anger of British. He constantly feels the feeling of dislike, means prejudicial effects of colonialisms while living in England after World War II, and this negative experience frequently shaped his thoughts and action. Brathwaite is surprised and shocked by the condition in which the students live and also the physical trauma of the war that can be seen throughout his teaching environment. At the last paragraph, he just mentions how does he fully attracted to the students and how does the students accept his teachings, and in that problematic conditions, because when the writer was teacher that time the troubleful condition was in where in England, because the World War II was going on, and in that problematic conditions, Brathwaite became a teacher and successful teacher, and he became successful teacher for he teach the students in a fully throughoutly teaching environment. He create teaching environment in the class, and he became a successful teacher, and he just achieve his target because he thought that he himself he feel himself as a guilty person because he was a black. Thank you.